Hey guys, welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today I made this video to talk about two situations with you guys. One, the importance of having an extended warranty, a service contract that will cover certain items that is listed in a contract to protect you and save you money. And two, about trusting the BMW dealer. Just because you took your BMW to the BMW dealer so that they can identify what the problem is, doesn't mean they're gonna do what's in your best interest. Okay, let me tell you the story. Behind me is a 2017 BMW X1, the all-wheel drive version. It's the X-Drive. So the customer took this car to the BMW dealer because they had a low coolant light and there was a clunk that they felt in the suspension when driving. The BMW dealer looked at it and they recommended control arm bushings, and they could not find the problem in the cooling system. Now, we had replaced the control arm bushings about a year ago and had built a relationship with this customer from way before this vehicle on his previous BMW. So he brought the car to us and said, it just seems really strange. They couldn't find a coolant leak, yet I've been adding coolant. So our skilled and trained technicians identified, pinpointed, and provided a solution to our dear client right here. Let me show you what's going on. So I'm under the car right now, and we inspected the control arm bushings, which are right here and on this side, and did not find a problem with the control arm bushings. However, the brace at the top that holds everything together had two loose bolts. Guess who did the engine mounts? The BMW dealer. So that's not just the end of it. We wanted to identify why is the customer adding coolant. So let's take a quick look. Let me show you what it looks like from my point of view. So the first thing that we observed was this trail of coolant here. Now I don't know how they could have missed this, but we filled the cooling system and pressure tested. And let me see if I can get a good angle to show you where the leak was. Uh-oh, look at that. There's a trail of coolant coming off that coolant hose off the turbo. So we had to do all this work, which is remove the intake pipe off this, which was not easy to get to. Remove the complete exhaust system. Loosen up the catalytic converter, only to be able to replace those coolant lines up in there. Now, they could have done this at the BMW dealer. Why they chose not to, I don't know. But what we did is we went ahead and identified the problem, created a photo documentation of it, created an estimate and a solution, and contacted the customer, in which he told us that he has extended warranty, read through the contract, and found out that coolant hoses are absolutely covered. So we went ahead and submitted the claim in his behalf. The inspector came and inspected the car and went ahead and approved the repair. And now we're in the process of solving the customer's issue. So the moral of the story is, just because you took your car to the BMW dealer, it does not mean that they're going to do what's in your best interest. Now remember, I worked at the BMW dealer too, and the cars that I serviced got treated from the heart because I did the right thing. When there's 52 technicians at the BMW dealer, how do you know you're getting that right technician? The truth of the matter is you don't. So when you bring it to a family-owned and operated shop like Bimmer PhD, we take pride in quality without compromise. So the next time you have an issue that doesn't look right or smell right, it probably is not right. So go ahead and book an appointment. You can do so online. You can give us a call. We're here to help you. So if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.